Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Mandla. I am the founder and CEO of MandlaMsindo Holdings, which is a brand holding company. Currently having a brand in clothing. We decided to name the brand K Diamond, which is simply a short version of Kimberly Diamond, which is Kimberly being the first city to ever produce diamonds. The aim of the brand is to embrace the heritage, history, and diverse culture of Kimberley as a whole, and just give people hope. Currently, we are producing headwear, summer and winter headwear, and t-shirts. Currently, we've been operating our business via social media, Facebook, our handle is 053K Diamond, Instagram also 053K Diamond, and our contact number for WhatsApp is 067-989-1367. That's where we've been selling our brand, and orders can be put via WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram. We are currently on the verge of having an online store for us to reach people outside of the province. Hi, my name is MandlaMsindo and I'm a township entrepreneur.